Hi, and welcome to Stuff. Well, as we can see, it's the LG Sound Bar with Meridian SN11R. So it's 7.1.4 channel wireless surround sound. So it has Dolby Atmos, DTS-X, rear up-firing speakers. Oh wow, that's nice. We have a high-resolution audio and ARC. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna see what we get in this nice box. I do have a cable hanging out behind me. Let's check it out, man. Okay, got some things in here. Got power cable. We've got, what's this called? Oh no, oh, the optic audio cable. There's another cable. What a big boy. Whoa, it's a lot of things. So there we go, whole bunch of stuff. I think it's time we start opening these. So that's cool, man. I'm gonna have to set these up, test them out, and give some feedback on like what do you think.
All in all, the LG soundbar is a perfect addition to any home. It offers incredible cinema quality audio and gives you a crisp and clean sound. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.